guess what? I'm on a wow, man. Hey, handsome guy, beautiful lady over here. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Ah, big second of man in a pan. Hey, guess what, man? Two of the amazing ace workers. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big sugar! Hey, guess what? This is the most beautiful girl in Kohala. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big sugar. Yeah. Hey, guess what, man? Here's two of my great friends, the customers here. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big sugar, man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna make something super exciting. Everybody likes to go to the restaurant and have this product, but you know what? It is so easy to make. Katsu curry. First of all, you gotta make the katsu, right? So I got my pan, put in some oil, and I got some beautiful pork chops, okay? Boneless pork chop, then cut it in half. I sprinkle on some garlic salt, crack an egg right inside here, get some flour, okay? And the other pan, I put in some 1916 Panko. It's first, season it with some garlic salt, okay? And flour, egg, okay? And breading, okay? Flour, egg, and breading. So simple, it looks just like this, okay? So when the pan is hot, you grab your boneless pork chops and you fry it just like this, okay? Now this is gonna be like the ultimate pork tonkatsu. Yeah, the beautiful thing about this pan that it doesn't stick, as you can see, you know, so you don't have to put that many oil like you gotta do with other pans. Okay, it's done. Okay, take it up on the pan, just like that. Okay, turn off the stove, cut it up into pieces. Put it on the plate, just like this. Okay. See that? Huh? See that? You get some ready-made S&B or house or whatever curry. Open it, grab it, put it in some microwave cup, measuring cup. I'm going to heat it up for 1 minute. Okay? There you go, right? Mix it all up, stir it a little bit, and dump it right over the tonkatsu. Here you go. Tonkatsu curry. So simple, so easy. But let me see how it tastes. Okay, here we go. Oh. It's so tasty. The problem with this, once you start, is hard to stop. Until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.